Global demand for AI compute is accelerating far faster than supply can handle. Nvidia GPUs have become prohibitively expensive and difficult to acquire at scale. To address this massive scarcity, Google is launching a standalone AI compute platform in partnership with a major institutional backer. That partner is Blackstone. To be clear, this is the private equity firm Blackstone, the world's largest private owner of data centers, not the asset manager BlackRock. Blackstone is committing an initial $5 billion in equity to kickstart this new venture. Once financial leverage is applied, total investment capacity for this compute infrastructure scales to $25 billion. This strategic $25 billion deployment is designed to target Nvidia's primary vulnerability: hyperscale availability and cost. This new entity operates entirely separate from Google Cloud. It is a distinct corporate venture with its own dedicated infrastructure. Google has appointed Benjamin Traynor Sloss, an executive with 20 years of experience running Google's internal infrastructure, as the CEO of this new company. Under his leadership, the company will operate a pure compute-as-a-service model. Its sole purpose is renting out massive clusters of Google's specialized tensor processing units, or TPUs. This business model is known as a neocloud. Agile neocloud startups like CoreWeave built massive valuations by aggressively hoarding Nvidia GPUs and renting them out to AI labs. Google and Blackstone are now engineering a TPU-based competitor at that same hyperscale. Hyperscale enterprises weary of Nvidia's pricing and supply constraints now have a dedicated alternative, and they can access it without having to migrate their entire software stack to Google Cloud. Looking at the 2026 landscape, the hard limit on AI scaling is no longer silicon manufacturing. The real bottleneck is electricity. Looking forward, big tech companies are projected to spend roughly $700 billion collectively on AI infrastructure by the end of 2026. Alphabet had committed $190 billion in capital expenditure to dominate the physical layer of AI compute. Securing the power for these massive installations requires navigating severe grid limits. In the US, bringing 1 gigawatt of power online can take up to 50 months. Strict zoning laws and outdated utility grids make gigawatt-scale electricity the single hardest resource to acquire. This explains the necessity of the Blackstone partnership. Blackstone's enormous existing portfolio of commercial real estate and energy infrastructure provides a bypass around years of standard zoning and construction delays. Leveraging those existing assets, the joint venture targets bringing its first 500 megawatts of dedicated data center capacity online by 2027. Secured energy access is the primary constraint on AI scaling. Blackstone's physical footprint is the specific asset Google needs to bypass utility gridlock and zoning delays. Today, Nvidia remains the dominant incumbent across the entire AI industry, a position secured by its ubiquitous CUDA software ecosystem. GPUs are inherently universal. Nvidia excels at small batch inference, complex multimodal models, and delivering maximum flexibility for developers running diverse workloads. Google's counter strategy relies on specialized ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits. With their 8th generation, Google dropped the V naming convention, splitting hardware into 2 specialized paths. This compares Nvidia's general-purpose architecture with Google's specialized design. The new TPU-8T is engineered to train enormous mixture of experts models. By optimizing for large batch transformer math, the TPU-8T cuts frontier model training from months to weeks, undercutting Nvidia's cost per token. The TPU-8i inference trick features a 3 times increase in on-chip SRAM. It is built for the high-throughput demands of autonomous AI agents. Its board-fly networking eliminates data latency, allowing thousands of agents to communicate with near-zero delay. Nvidia provides universal flexibility, but Google's new bifurcated silicon strategy isolates the heaviest workloads, processing them with ruthless cost efficiency. This matrix maps the 2026 AI compute landscape, plotting general-purpose versus specialized chips against ecosystem maturity. AMD sits in the general-purpose space, the only viable GPU counterweight to Nvidia. Cerebras occupies the extreme specialist quadrant, focusing on wafer-scale hardware for frontier training. AMD plays a very specific role with its MI300X and MI325X platforms. By equipping their hardware with massive high-bandwidth memory capacity, AMD provides a cost-effective secondary GPU source for major hyperscalers like AWS and Azure. Cerebras takes a different path. Rather than networking thousands of small chips together, they engineer massive, unbroken wafers of silicon. Their WSE3 chip acts as a single-chip supercomputer. It is designed for sovereign AI programs and research labs, training models exceeding 1 trillion parameters. The reliance on a single universal chip is ending. The market is fracturing into specialized hardware niches tailored to specific workloads. The struggle of this decade pits Nvidia's deep software ecosystem gravity against Google's cost-efficient scale. This line graph details our base case scenario for compute share through 2030. Notice Nvidia's commanding 82% market share gradually eroding down to 65%. Simultaneously, the Google TPU line surges from 8% to 18% as the Blackstone joint venture captures high-volume LLM training and inference workloads. AMD tracks a steady climb from 7% to 12%, cementing its position as the definitive secondary GPU supplier for global cloud fleets. Even with this dilution, Nvidia retains its grip as the dominant incumbent for multimodal tasks and broad enterprise applications. The core question for the next 4 years is whether CUDA's deep software integration can keep Nvidia invincible, or if a $25 billion physical infrastructure offensive will finally fracture the monopoly. If you want to understand the actual science behind these market shifts, like this video, share it with your team, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs.